this is an IFunnyCrew production. This is Daz and this is Alyssa. This is a haunted nature trap. Like, it's like scary. It's like there's some porcupines in the ocean. That one's name is Spiky. That one's name is Fishy. That one's name is gonna be what's the name? Porcupine. Cause you know they're related. I did my research. Come here. I'm gonna go get them. Yes, you are. You pretty porcupine. Yeah. The duck's there. Roger. I gotta tell Desi. Desi!
Yeah?
Roger! Look at him! I'm gonna try to speak to them. They don't talk my language. What up with that? You trying to hate? You want them to hate me? I'm better at that than Beaver. Pork! Scratch! They think I'm a zombie. I want to go after them. Hey guys, it's Des. I'm going to talk to the birds over here in the pond that has no water. I don't know what they're trying to do, but there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to name that one Stripe, that one Stripe, and that one Stripe. Ew, that one just took a poop.
Yeah, I smell it.
Did you guys see that? Look at that one right there. I'm talking about. He just sat there and took a poop when I screamed at him. Roger, sit down. No wait, that one's right. What is that thing in there? Are they snakes? Do you see that stuff crackling? Quack. 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 Quack, quack. Quack-a-doodle-doo. You live in a shoe in my closet or room. You guys are boring. Bye, Roger.
A mosquito was on me, so I pushed it off.
Les, you know they're really not porcupines, right?
Yes, they are.
They're not porcupines. Whoa, she got far. Wow,
The porcupine stung me.
wow, she jumped.
Bad porcupine. I'm never talking to